Question 20, we've got a non-right angled triangle and we're asked to find the angle ABC, which is this angle here. I'm going to call it X. We haven't got a side angle pair, so we can't use the sine rule, so we've got to use the cosine rule. Let's write that out in full first. And this here is going to be 5 root 7, and the angle A here is going to be the angle X. All the rest, in a way, don't matter because they are the other sides. So those are the two crucial things to get in the right place. 5 root 7 squared isn't as bad as it looks. Square 5, get 25. Square root 7, get 7. So this is 25 multiplied by 7 is equal to b squared, doesn't matter which one we choose, let's say it's 100, plus now the 5 squared, so this is 25, minus 2 times 5 times 10. So this is 100 cos x. So this is 175 is equal to 125 minus 100 cos x. We need to make cos x the subject. So therefore I can say that 100 cos x, I've moved that over here, is equal to 125 minus 175. So therefore 100 cos x is equal to negative 50, and cos x is equal to negative a half. So all we've now got to do is find the value of x where cos x is equal to negative a half. This is a graph you should know and be able to duplicate whenever asked, but I've got it here drawn out just for clarity. The solution of negative a half is along this line here. So the two solutions we've got are 120 degrees and 240 degrees. From the diagram, this angle is over 90, but it's clearly not greater than 180 degrees. So our solution is that x is 120 degrees. And there's the answer.